So these are some of the best Android apps that you shouldn't miss out for April 2024. Starting off with the number one app, and this is Gemini. If you have been using ChatGPT app, then try this one too. It's a free app with lots of amazing features and AI capabilities. You can also make images from text, but this feature right now is paid. So check out this amazing app, which is a great alternative to ChatGPT. Moving on to the next app, and this is Nothing plus KWGT. This app offers some high quality interesting widgets inspired from Nothing phone. You can see that we have many cool widgets here that you can try out. I'm also giving away a few coupon codes for this app, so make sure to drop a thumbs up and leave a comment down in the comment section, as I'll be picking up lucky random users. Next, I have a quick notes taking app called as NotyNotes. This app basically stays as a tile in your notification panel. Whenever you want to add a quick note, you can swipe down on your notification panel and tap here. Now add a note. And when it's completed, just tap on it once again and delete it. You can add multiple notes in your notification panel, so check it out. Moving on to the next app. If you use a lot of free music services like SoundCloud and Spotify, then you might be listening to a lot of ads. This app called as AdSilence makes your life a little easier by muting every kind of ads that are played after short breaks. Check it out, this app works really well, even if it's not running in the background. Next I have Radius Locker. This app saves your phone from getting lost. For example, if you have placed your phone on a table and it was also unlocked, as soon as Bluetooth gets disconnected between your phone and watch, this app will lock your phone. You have to just give all necessary permissions and that's it. Check it out from Google Play Store and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Moving on to wallpapers, this is AI Wallbox. It offers some high quality wallpapers. The app is free to download and use without any ads. This app has a lot of decent collections that are worth checking out. Last app on this list is Retouch. If you want a quick fix for your images, then this app will definitely help a lot. Just import your images and choose any part that you want to fix or hide. Rest, it will automatically do the job. So give these apps a try and let me know what you think about them in the comment section and which is your favorite app. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.